If change orders control the middle of a project, the punch list controls the end. This is where details matter most. A punch list is a written list of items that still need correction or completion before the job is fully closed. It happens near the end, not the middle. Substantial completion means the space is usable. You can move in, you can operate the building, but small items may still need attention. In some contracts, a small percentage of payment is held until punch list items are resolved. This creates accountability, not conflict. Punch list items are not favors. They are not new requests. They are unfinished contractual responsibilities. Most punch list items are small, but small details define quality. Cabinets slightly misaligned, door handles that don't sit flush, soft close hardware not adjusted properly. Paint touch-ups, small trim gaps, uneven caulk lines, these are finish stage corrections. Fixtures installed but not centered, lighting slightly crooked, finish sheen that doesn't match. These are the final details that make a project feel complete. Photos remove debate. Instead of saying, "That cabinet looks off," you show it. Clear visuals reduce friction. Vague complaints don't get resolved efficiently. Specific written items do. The clearer you are, the faster the fix. A punch list should be professional, not emotional. You're not attacking workmanship, you're closing a project properly. A punch list isn't complaining. It's closing the job, it protects your investment, and it protects the contractor's reputation. The difference between average construction and excellent construction is often found in the punch list. Details define quality. Make sure to like and subscribe for more contractor truths. Up next, Part 4: Strategic Maneuvers, handling change orders and punch list like a pro.